President Mnangagwa leaves Rome, heads to China for war anniversary. The 1st of September 2025, by Ndujuzo Shuma Herald, Beijing President Emerson Mnangagwa is expected to arrive in China today ahead of the 80th anniversary commemorations of the victory in the Chinese People's War of Resistance against Japanese aggression and the World Anti-Fascist War, scheduled for Wednesday at Tiananmen Square. The Zimbabwean leader will join over 26 heads of state and government, including Russian President Vladimir Putin, for a massive military parade and other activities hosted by Beijing. China's War of Resistance, 1931-1945, was the first and longest front of the global anti-fascist struggle. In 14 years of conflict, about 35 million Chinese were killed or wounded before Japan's official surrender on the 2nd of September 1945. In recognition, China designated the 3rd of September as Victory Day in 2014, later marking the occasion with large-scale parades. Zimbabwe's ambassador to China, Abigail Shaniwa, said Mnangagwa's presence underlines the depth of ties between Harare and Beijing. The president is coming at the invitation of his counterpart, President Xi Jinping, and he is one of the very few African heads of state attending, Shaniwa said. Our relationship with China goes back to the liberation struggle, when they trained some of our fighters, including the president himself. That bond has only grown stronger. China's assistant foreign minister, Hong Lei, told reporters that the anniversary is not only about history, but also about the future. 80 years later, China is ready to work with all parties, including nations of the global south, to promote a multipolar world and inclusive economic growth, he said. While in Beijing, Mnangagwa is expected to hold bilateral talks with President Xi on strengthening cooperation in politics, trade, security, culture, and international coordination, a partnership framework already elevated last year to a 5-star ironclad level. The visit also includes engagements with Chinese companies that have ongoing or prospective investments in Zimbabwe. China remains Zimbabwe's largest trading partner and leading source of investment, with cumulative projects worth more than $4 billion. Recent ventures include the HAASI Units 7 and 8 expansion, Kariba South Hydro upgrade, and expansion of the Robert Gabriel Mugabe and Victoria Falls International Airports. Last month, Zimbabwe and China signed a $55 million economic and technical cooperation agreement, while Beijing also provided $9 million in food assistance. Ambassador Shaniwa highlighted strong people-to-people ties, noting that about 100 Zimbabwean students receive Chinese government scholarships annually, alongside many others studying or working in China on private arrangements. The visit is a sign of our enduring friendship. We are confident the president's engagements here will strengthen our economy and our nation's development, she said.